How to return Shein items easy step tutorial. If you've ordered from Shein and need to return something, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to return Shein items step by step, whether it's the wrong size or change of mind or quality issues. Returning items is easy once you know the process. Before we know Before we dive into how to return your Shein items, let's quickly go over Shein's return policy. You generally have 30 days from the date of delivery to initiate a return. Keep them in mind to ensure you're within the return window. Now, items must be unused, unworn, and in the original condition with tags still attached. If they are damaged or worn, Shein may not accept the return. Sometimes, like lingerie, swimwear, and accessories, may be not returnable for hygiene reasons, so be sure to double check before you purchase. And now, let's walk through how to start your return. Go ahead and open the Shein app or website and log into your account. After you've logged in, tap on My Orders to view your recent purchase. Go to Me option, and here you can find My Order option. But before that, you may need to log into your account. Now, after you've tapped on My Order section, which is this middle one, find the order which you want to return. And you can tap on the returns also to see your previous returns. Go to your order which you want to return. Under the order details, you'll see an option to return items. Tap on it to begin the return process. Now, tap on the items. You can return multiple items in the same order as long as they meet the return criteria. You'll be prompted to select a reason for your return. That option includes item is not as expected, wrong size, defective, and more. Now, Shein offers different return options depending on your location. You can choose to return your item through a local courier or by mailing it back. And what you need to do is, once you've selected your return method, it's time to prepare your return. If you're shipping the item back, you will be given a return shipping label. Tap on the download return label option, then print it out and pack the items you're returning back into their original packaging. If possible, make sure to include the original tags and receipts. Attach the return label securely to the package. And that's it. Now let's talk about the refund process. Once Shein receives your return, they will process your refund. It usually takes 7 to 10 business days for Shein to process your return after they receive the package. Refunds are typically issued to the original payment method, but if you use Shein points, they may be refunded as points instead. And that's it. You now learned how to return items on Shein step by step.